Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make banana and date milkshake. So let's go into the tasting straight away. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Wow! Refreshing, sweet, delicious. Let's move on to the recipe itself. Add in 1 banana. Add in 1 cup of milk. Add in 4 dates. Add in some date syrup. Okay, you saw how to make that banana and date milkshake. So refreshing, so yummy, really filling as well. Just perfect. So with that, like the video, comment below, share this content to as many people as possible, hit that notification bell icon if you haven't already. And with that, catch you in the next one.